Hey guys, this is Sophia, and today we're going to be learning how to make slime for beginners. Let's get started. Okay, so the things you're going to need for this beginner slime is a bowl of activator. If you don't know how to make activator, just go back to my last video and I'll teach you how. Then you're going to need an empty bowl, Elmer's glue, doesn't matter what kind of glue, some measuring spoons, and food coloring. The food coloring is optional. You can do white slime if you want. I just don't really like white slime because it turns gray if you make it dirty. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 1 tablespoon and you're going to fill it up with glue. Okay, here we go. And just empty it into the bowl. One more thing I forgot to mention, you're going to need a mixing utensil, unless you want to use your measuring spoons, but I'm just going to use a mixing utensil. There we go. Okie dokie, and you're going to measure out 1 more tablespoon of glue. So I added in another tablespoon of glue, and I chose to have some yellow slime. So I added a few drops of yellow food coloring into my glue, and here we go. So I'm just going to start with, let's try half of a teaspoon of our activator to start with, just to see, and then we'll mix it up. And if we need to add more, we definitely will. We probably will need to add more. Mix it up. And as I can see, it's already starting to come together and clump up on the bowl. So I'm just going to keep mixing, because sometimes if you keep mixing, it'll come together. So it looks like I'm going to need 1 more half a teaspoon of activator. My slime. It's clumping up again. So that is a good sign. If it's sticking to the sides of your bowls or kind of becoming clumpy, that's what you want to happen. I'm going to add 1 more half of a teaspoon of activator in my slime. There we go. It's really starting to come together now. Just keep mixing. I might even have to add a little bit more, because you really want it to start to come off of the bowl. So now I'm just going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of activator because I don't want to add too much and make it over-activated. That would stink. So now you're just going to take it out of your bowl, get it off of the sides and everything, and just knead it. It is really good. It's really pretty. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. It's a really nice color. It's stretchy. It's everything I would want my slime to be. If it's too sticky, then I just add a little bit more of our activator, but mine is perfectly fine, as you can see. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.